Welcome students in this session of Physics New Era. In this one we are going to know about the period of satellite. We can term it as a time period of satellite also. Time taken by. Let us define the time period. Each satellite which is revolving around the earth in a circular orbit possessing some sort of critical velocity which is given by, already we have calculated this, under root of gm upon small r in the previous video, and we got this relation, that is Vc is equal to under root of gm upon r, where this r is nothing but capital R plus h. What is this r? R is the radius of the earth, m is the mass of the earth, capital M is the mass of the earth, small m is the mass of the satellite, and it is continuously revolving in a circular orbit. So seems to be knowing this is the critical velocity and a path which is a circular path around the earth, then we are going to define the time period of satellite. Firstly, the definition. Time taken by the satellite to complete one revolution around the earth in a circular orbit is known as a period of satellite. Once again, time period of a satellite is nothing but time taken by the satellite to complete one revolution around the earth in a circular orbit is known as a time period of satellite around the earth. This is your time period, and we know that Vc is equal to under root of gm upon r. While traveling one revolution starting from this point, here it will take complete circle. So distance travel is equal to circumference. Distance cover is equal to circumference. What circumference? What? Circumference of the circle. Circumference. This is your circumference. Distance covered by the satellite around the earth is nothing but a circumference of the circle. So we know that it is a critical velocity because satellite it is revolving around the earth in a circular orbit. So critical velocity is equal to distance divided by time. Distance cover around the earth to complete one revolution, and that is nothing but the circumference. Circumference of circular path. Circumference of circular path divided by we say time taken by the satellite. So we need to substitute that. Instead of here, I'm going to write here, it is Vc. So Vc is equal to, sir, this one is the circumference, and circumference of the circle is always a 2 pi r. 2 pi r, where r is the total distance from the center of the earth to the satellite. So it is r, and which is given by radius of earth plus height from the surface of the earth. 2 pi r upon t. But we know that Vc already we got, so we need to equate both. Under root of gm upon small r is equal to 2 pi r upon t. 2 pi r upon t. So as to discard the square root, we need to square it. So squaring both the sides, I'm going to write that squaring both sides. After squaring, this is outside the square root. What the factor which is remains squaring? After squaring, it is 4 pi square r square upon a t square. If I need to get the t square here, this t square is how much? This r, it is multiplied with this r square. It becomes, already we have the 4 pi square r cube. R square into r. What about the divided factor, which is a gm? It is gm. So here we got the relation. I'm going to write here, that is t square is equal to 4 pi square upon gm into r cube. This total rounded factor, it is constant. So 4 pi square upon gm, if it is constant, total term it is constant, why it is constant? Sir, 4 it is constant, pi value it is constant, g value universal gravitational constant, whose value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. So m, mass of the earth, also remain constant, it is not changing. So all these terms are constant. So I am going to write t square is directly proportional to r cube. This is one of that factor that we need to get. The conclusion, square of the time period is directly proportional to cube of what? Radius of the orbit. Cube of radius of orbit. Orbit, distance from the center of the earth to the satellite. That is orbit. This is the general formula regarding. Now we need to modify the equation. Modified equation we are going to get so as to solve the numerical problem. Let us see this one. This part I want to modify. How? Let us see this one. This is the, we say that acceleration due to gravity at this place is gh at a height h, suffix h. So here it is under root of gm upon small r is equal to 2 pi r upon t. So t is equal to 2 pi into r upon gm into r. But if I want to take this r inside the square root, I will have to square this. So the next equation I am going to get, that is 2 pi into under root of r cube upon gm. R cube upon gm. But we know that gm is equal to g r square. But here I am going to write the suffix at a height h, because satellite it is situated at a height h. So I am going to substitute this, that is gm is equal to gh r square. So after substituting this, I am going to get the another value, that is gm, that is r cube upon, here it is g suffix h into r square. So new equation it is equal to 2 pi into under root of, here r upon gh. So this is one of that formula. This equation can be also be written as, here I am going to write the equation. One more equation I am going to write here. If this equation I want to modify, t is equal to 2 pi into under root of r plus h upon gh. Why it is r plus h? Because we know that small r is equal to r plus h. This is your final, we say, time period formula or the modified formulae. This is one of that modified formulae. It is here it is. This is one of the modified formula. This is one of that modified formula. And this one is also one of the modified formula for the time period of satellite which is revolving around the earth. And the conclusion part is this one. Square of the time period is directly proportional to cube of the radius of the orbit. of satellite which is revolving around the Earth. Thank you.